Hi, I'm Mr. Worker. I want to share with you the new way to buy online the ultimate work tools for professional maintenance and repair operations. Introducing the FESTOOL 576523 Cordless Pendulum Jigsaw, a tool designed for perfect handling at any radius. With its threefold saw blade guide and rigid lifter rod, you'll experience excellent behavior and curves. The soft grip and ergonomic design make it simple to handle, while the electronic switch is reachable from any grip position. Change tables, base plates, and saw blades quickly and tool-free. No more wasting time. The powerful cutting stroke ensures rapid progress, and with the Li-Hi Power battery pack, you'll enjoy full power without the extra weight. Dust extraction? Absolutely. The Bluetooth R communication with the EC-TEC mobile dust extractor keeps your workspace clean automatically. Plus, the FESTOOL 576523 fits seamlessly into a System 3 for easy transportation. Take your projects to the next level with this incredible jigsaw.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.